Hello, today I'm going to open up 3 Inside Out 2 blind bags. Here they are. And just to tell you, it is definitely not embarrassment. Like, remember the other one where I got embarrassment on me and then the other one I got 2 embarrassments? Well, there's going to be no embarrassments. I know because I know the code. So, what is the code? It is 2d6. Let's see what 36 is. 36 is I can see her. It's not embarrassment. Definitely not. Daddy?
Yeah.
Can you help me? It's just kind of hard to do. And while my daddy
It's
does.
number 36, is it?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder who that is.
Do you know who 36 is? It's my favorite character. It's Disgust. Well, here she is. Like her arms, how she's like I love how they added like her texture of hair. Like I like how her hair is like whizzing this way. And like, if you notice closely, look at her dress. If we got Joy, which we might get, it's kind of like Joy's dress. If you watch Inside Out 2, if you watch Inside Out 1 or Inside Out 2, their dress is kind of like the same. You can notice it better when you get it. So we'll just leave her here in case you just like want to see it, and we'll open this one. And I wonder who this one is. Oh,
The code.
Oh, I forgot about the code. I can forget about code. And it is, I'm going to tell you if you can't see it. It is 64. So let's see what 64 is. I wonder who it is. Oh, I see her. She is just so cute. Just going to put them with the one they were with. See, this one's my favorite character in Inside Out 2. Like, my favorite character in Inside Out 1 is Disgust. This one. This one. And this is my favorite character in Inside Out 2. Have some guesses. Will you give up? If you give up doing it, just wait till I get it out, which might take a bit. Dad, do you mind doing it?
No. I do not mind.
Ooh, let's see who we got. We got the cutest Envy. So since she's my favorite in Inside Out 2, it's because, well, like, look at her hair and look at her eyes. They're so cute. And I like her voice. Like, if you watch Inside Out 2, she might be your favorite. Or Embarrassment or Ennui. I'm not spoiling another one for you because you already know the one where I got Embarrassment and Ennui. Wait here, I'm going to show you the Embarrassment and the Ennui. For now, look at her and see if you can recognize her. If she looks cute, looks bad, looks okay. I'm back. So if you remember when I got 3 embarrassments, I only took 1 of the embarrassments. So here's how the Ennui looked like, and here's how the embarrassment looked like. I forgot the other one, but I can tell you one because she's not on here. Her name's Nostalgia, and I don't know when we're going to see her actually. So I'm just going to put these away. Now, since we got Envy, if you want to look at here, I like the texture, how they use her hair and like her clips. Like, I like how they made her in the movie. Like, she's so confident sometimes. And when it was, and when like wait, and when anxiety was making a tornado, she was like, anxiety, you're putting too much pressure on her. So it's kind of like, see, is not always on anxiety's team. Like anxiety, she threw away the old ones. Not really like throw away. She just put them in, like someone put them in somewhere where all the secrets go, and she was with them, but sometimes she just is like, yeah, she's like the star of the. She's like, for me, she's the star of Inside Out too. No,
What's the star of Inside Out 2?
Envy.
Envy? Okay.
She's the cutest.
Okay.
For me, she is. For you, it could be someone else. And let's see the code. Do you see the code? It's not, if you can't see it, 20. The code is 20. Guess what 20 is? Like, me and my daddy know already, and my mommy's just upstairs working. Oh, this one's the cutest. I mean, she's not the cutest. Have you noticed something? After we find out who that one is, I'm gonna actually tell you. We got Joy.
She is the cutest, I think.
So Joy, like her texture of hair, like on the box, she doesn't look so cute. She doesn't look as cute as she is in the real one. Look. I mean, like, I think you can know that because she's bigger than this one. But look. And you know something, two things that are the same. If you didn't guess yet, I'm going to give you some more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I gave you 1 more minute, and it said they're all girls, and the bottom's the same. Look at the color. The colors is the same. Hope you like what we got, and hope if you want to get any of these emotions, and also you can get them from Smith's Toy Soup. Smith's. And if you want any of them, just try to remember what the code is, and then look for the code on the bottom. It's like I said the code because you can't really see the code for some reason. So hope you had a good time. Like and subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. Keep a comment down below if you watched Inside Out 2 or if you watched Inside Out 1 and if you liked them. Bye.